Yeah, I can engineer.
Crap. Alright, so what is up everyone? And in today's video we're going to be making a do-it-yourself bunny hop bar. So a pretty cheap solution coming in. It's only about $30 to make. And it's a pretty easy process, I assume. We'll see what happens. But yeah, the products you need are as follows. You need 2 clamps, 4 elbows, 6 caps, 2 tees, and then 4 pieces of 5-foot long PVC pipe. So the first step is to mark the distances you'll need for each PVC pipe and cut them out of the 5-foot sections. And you're going to want to do this with either like a handsaw or another, like whatever form you want. But then after that, you want to just put all your pieces together, make sure you've done everything. Then I'll tell you how many you needed. This is what you're going to need for each of the little stand things to support it. And yeah. Need 2 of the corners, 1 T, 1 3-foot, 2 foot, and 2 6 inches. So you're going to want to end up with 4 pieces of the 6-inch PVC pipe, 4 more pieces of the foot-long PVC pipe, and then 2 3-foot tall PVC pipes. And that'll be all you need to create each leg along with the elbows and the T. Definitely on it. Oh my god.
Bam!
Mom, we just got showed up.
By an old man.
Yeah. So here's how you're going to want to set it up. So you're going to first start by connecting one of the foot-long pieces to the T, and then with another one of the elbows out toward the 6 inches. And then you're going to do the same thing on the other side, just the opposite, with the 6-inch one, and that's for support, so it'll like stand up and without leaning in any way or whatever. But that's how each of the bottom of the stands are going to look, and you'll make sure the 6 inches are on that one, because that way it won't take up much space for you. You'll have room to jump.
We'll probably have to. Yeah, I should keep it from going over that way when you hit it. And that way, you know.
Either way, it won't like mess it
We
up.
can make those longer for you. We're not going to glue it together yet. Wait till everything's together.
Alright, so after you cut, you're going to be left with 4 pieces of 6-inch PVC pipe, 4 foot-long pieces of PVC pipe, 2 3-foot-long pieces of PVC pipe, and then you're going to put them together in this like Z formation kind of, with the T in the middle, and then 3 feet going upwards, and both of the foot ones going out to the sides, to the corner pieces, which also do redirect the 6-inch pieces to make the base. The stand's going to look like on both sides, with the crossbar going to be between them. You're also going to want to shave off the excess from whenever you cut through it, because otherwise it won't fit together as easy, and it's just easier in general. I would also recommend using like PVC glue or whatever, that way it makes sure it's like secure, and it won't like go away in a little bit. But other than that, it should be fairly easy just to put together, as I've stated previously. Well, I'm just enjoying the view.
Should
I do this stuff?
Yeah, go ahead.
I did the hard sawing. I'm a big man. I sawed right through everything.
I'm going to put them both on at the same time.
Oh, so it's even. So it's even.
Mm-hmm. So it's standing straight.
You need to level it.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, it's like the middle of the center line.
Yeah, do it like that. The middle of the center line.
It's pretty good.
3 or 4 year on that elbow, on the chin. You know,
The two stands. Woo! Woo!
Now we have to put them together.
No, these things don't go together. Now we just have to clamp it.
so that's all it is right there.
That's pretty cool.
You jump at it from this way. You hit
Oh
the bar
my.
and get knocked
That thing looks sick. It's turned out really well.
Ain't done it yet.
I know, but like, it's still nice. So here's your fully adjustable, fully safe high jump bar. If you hit it and you don't go over, these things just slide down and it'll just pop off. And I also recommend making rungs. I made it about every 2 inches, and you can take the clamps wherever you want and like move them wherever you need at your comfort level, where as you progress you can keep moving them higher and higher. I just have them here for now. But here's the finished product. Thanks for watching. Tell me how it goes in the comment section below, and I hope you can try it at home. And I'm gonna give you some footage of me riding it right after this, because it's a different day and it's just super hot and I'm just tired, and we about have to go to my sister's tournament. So I'll get you more footage of me riding it like tomorrow. See ya.